Hello guys, welcome to the review of Create. Today I am going to review Create, and Create is a tool that helps you to do your content marketing. Means it actually creates content for you for different niches, different keywords, and all of that stuff can be done with Create. If you are the one who is struggling with content creation, because writing content is not that easy, so that problem is solved by Create. But I'm going to show you how Create works, how you have to do it. And if you want to buy this, so do check out my review on Create, because I have also included all the OTOs, means all the offering, and I'm also going to give you a $4 coupon. Means you are going to buy it for $24 for a limited period of time. You can find that coupon on the link on the description below, which is here. If you put down this, you are going to get an extra $5 off. So this is the dashboard of Create. Also guys, I have included some of my bonuses here, so you can check out all these bonuses. And if you like this software, and if you are going to buy it, you can buy it through my link. I have also included all the OTOs, and you can go and check. I'm going to talk about OTOs on the end of this video. So far this account has been this account has been created 1.5 lakh, or articles, and posted almost 1800, and it has 125 niches. So I'm going to tell you all the stuff. Here is your dashboard. Then it is showing that first read this, and we have an article section here, we have a plugin section here. Means you can download the plugin, and you can attach to it with your WordPress site, and it is automatically going to create content on your WordPress site. But it is a OTO 3. Remember, I'm going to tell you all the stuff. And here we have an option of API, then we have an option of white label, then we have option of tutorials, then we have FAQ, support, and bonuses. The vendor give you a different bonuses, and if you buy it through my link from which is available on the description below, you are going to get these bonuses too, and my bonuses too. So do check out that. Now if I want to create a new article, what I have to do, or I have to give it a new article. So I have to go here and to add, and now I have to select which type of article I want. I want a standard, then I have to select a niche. For example, I want to create the article on a niche of online marketing, and I can also go to sub niches. So I'm going to give it internet marketing, and here it says on which language I want, obviously in English. Then we have to select the length of our content. So for example, I'm going to give it 500, and here I have to generate how many article I want to generate. For example, I want to generate 3 articles. Now if I want to save it to a particular folder or not, then I have to give it a start promote. So I'm going to give it digital marketing course for, or you can give it digital marketing course. Learn digital marketing for free, right? And now I have you can see these credits. I'm going to talk about credits, how the credit thing works. with this create tool. But let me tell you first how it is going to create content. Now I am going to get a content, so it is writing all of these three content because I have given it like write 3 articles and it is going to create it. I'm also going to tell you, and I'm going to check whether the plagiarism is there or not. Means it is not something that it is just like copying and pasting from somewhere and giving it to me. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to open plagiarism checker, as it is taking some time. As of now, one of our article is ready, and I'm going to show you how it is structured. So do you need digital marketing course? It can be like you can create this heading with, do you need a paid digital marketing course or learn digital marketing for free? Then I'm going to quickly check it on the plagiarism checker, so you can get an idea it's actually creating an unique content or not. And here I'm going to give it, also I can check the grammar. So let's see. As you can see, it is showing that 100% unique, so that is not bad. So it is actually creating the content, the unique content. So as in numbers, you have to just go and edit something also, because of it's again things like you can change and mold and do all the stuff. It's still writing some of the content means it's still writing some of the content, means it's actually creates the content, means they have an AI system set up which is kind of doing things. So this is it, and as you can see, my credit has been deducted. So what is this credit? When you buy this tool, you will get an 100 credit, means you can create 100 articles. Then you have to buy credits, because of they have a backend system, like these AI tools and like software consume very high server frequencies, so they have a backend costing. So what they have done, they have also included. But when it comes to OTOs, like when you get an front end pack, you get 100 credits, and when you upgrade to OTO 1, which is like $47 per month, and here you can see, I'm going to show you the sales page. You get 100 credit monthly, right? As you can see, you get 100 credits monthly, 50 credit every single month, and 50 bonus credit every single month, means you get 100 credits monthly. Means you have to upgrade it upgrade it and pay $47 per month. So that is the costing you again have to pay. But you can still create 100 articles which you can make backlinks of, which you can like create new websites and make money, because of you have to like get a plan and do all this stuff. But it really helps you to create the content. And also if you get the front end, you are getting it for like $24 only if you use the credit to the code which I am providing. And here you have a booster pack, then you have an connect plugin with your WordPress website, then you can also get the white label of Creaite means you can sell Creaite and keep 100% of the profit. So you can do all this with this software. And on my opinions, the software is kind of a good deal. And if you want to build something, build some websites, it again needs content. So content is a basic thing for running any online business. So this tool can be on your bucket, and if you want to buy it, you can go to my website and you can like see all these details here, every detail, a demo video too. And you can also see all the OTOs, which type of OTOs I have for this, or like the vendor have. Then we are having some special bonuses for you guys. So this was the quick review of Create, and I hope you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problem while receiving these bonuses, you can mail us on this particular email ID, which I have not included right now, but when you are, I think we have included it. So here is not, I am going to give the email ID on this page while I will edit this video. When you come to this page, you are still going to receive all the bonuses on your email. But if you have any problem, we will have an email ID here. So this was the quick review of Create, and thank you guys for watching.